Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to log into your Spectrum TV account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. What you gotta do first is open up a browser and then search for Spectrum TV login. Then select the first link. That will take you to the Spectrum TV official page where you need to enter your username and your password. And you can tick the box which says stay signed in on this device if you don't want to keep on entering your username or password every time you want to log into your Spectrum TV account. And after that, simply select sign in. And that's how you log into your Spectrum TV. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Also, hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we post another video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.